Here I'm going to show how we installed an RV-type horizontal propane tank underneath the chassis of our 144-inch Sprinter van. It was important for us to do this RV conversion, so we actually had an RV-type tank sitting outside, horizontally mounted like it typically would be, because we didn't have much storage inside for other things. So this is the tank. It's the Flame King 12 by 28, 12.2 gallon. It's going to be a little hard to see, but this is me underneath the chassis. Those, I don't know if you can see, but those are some marks where I'm going to have to do a cutout to access the fill valve, the turn-off valve, the gauge, all that. It's going to have an access through the body of the van. And also the Flame King itself had to be cut out to fit up inside the body. It's shown in an upside down position there. And that's how it's going to be fitted up inside. You can see the cutout's already been done. It's already been painted. This is the access panel itself, or where the access panel is going to be. Primed and painted. That is the fuel tank. So the propane tank is nestled between the outer, I guess you'd call it rocker panel, and the fuel tank. Fits in there perfectly. Bolts right up to the floor. It's a 4-bolt mount. That's an access I cut in for our PEX water fill. I'll get to that to another point. It's on its side here, but that is the horizontal tank mounted. The access for the valves is accessible. This is a stainless steel hatch that I fashioned out of stainless steel, piano hinge, latches, and just some stainless steel panel. So there you go. Can access everything we need. Latches down solidly. I've never had any problem with it opening up on the road. That is where our water access is going to be. Alright, that's it. Fashioned behind the driver's seat. There you can actually see I do have the water tank mounted behind the propane tank. Not a very good shot of it, but I'll get to that to a later point. Once again, just showing off the door. Alright, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching.